wrong. Hello internet, I bought a van. It's over there. It doesn't start. We're gonna make that happen. I'd like to introduce my 1998 204 million thousand miles heap of caddy. So, I'm entirely sure how this is attached. Probably some screws or something. If it is, that was strong double-sided tape. Is it screwed in?
No, it's not screwed in.
That can't be double-sided tape, can it?
Holy shit, that's really screwed in. That is legitimately screwed in.
Nice. They've done well not to screw for the cup holder. I've got to undo this bonnet catch now. Can't see because it's dark. Please be Phillips. Oh, so is. Yes. All cars are awesome. He says just before finding a giant rust hole. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Don't say.
We got some twist!
Oh yeah.
No tape!
Twist and no tape.
Twist and no tape.
That's probably the fucking ignition problem there. Yeah. We don't know what this does. It's probably not meant to be like that. If you know in the comments below what this thing is, Valeo France, and then this, please tell us what this is because we have no idea. Yeah, that's the best thing to do, isn't it, when you get under a car? You just start pulling wires out and hope that nothing important happens.
Can I have a screwdriver?
Do I want to know what you're doing? Oh, that'll help.
Rotate the brick collarbone.
Oh my god, we've got an iPod nano charger?
No.
Is that a nano charger?
That's an old... What is that?
Speaking of rotten, let's have a look. Oh, yeah, we're getting there now. We're getting some good stuff. We've got a bolt that should probably be in the car.
Oh, there's some moistness.
A trim screw that should probably be in the car. Oh, mate, it's all going to be wet. It's how rotten it is that I'm worried about. Wet is fine. Wet can be dried. Think of it like a missus. If she's wet, it's good. If it's wet, it's fine. If it's rotten, you've got a problem. Sorry YouTube, please monetize me. Oh, I've got wall plugs! I can finally put a shelf up. These are for sale. £250 each.
Didn't you say it was... Well, it's literally moist all on.
What the f is that?
They are dead snails.
What on earth are they? My van has hemorrhoids. Or piles, I'm not really sure, but...
What happens when you push it too much?
What on earth are they? Right, I'm going to have to touch them, but I'm not sure I want to be metal.
I mean, I have gloves.
They're metal.
Oh, and they make it... Yeah.
They're kind of like... Either that or they're a really stale Nesquik. There's a lot of them. Who? Why would you need them? Yes, broken glass. They all need broken glass. Another bolt. Some more Nesquik. We've got a bit of wetness down here, but no rock. We're just a bit damp.
Oh, no, a bit of lax, a bit of damp.
More force is what's needed here. Give me a screwdriver. We'll just wake it off. That'll be alright. Plastic. If it's plastic, it's not important as a rule.
In about 8 months anyway.
Well, there's screws underneath it, so obviously meant to pop off, but the fact that I broke it is probably helping. I can't get it up, Snap. had one screw in it. Wonderful. Let's fold this section down, hang on.
Oh my god! There's money!
What do we got?
50p!
Ah, awesome.
And a lighter.
We've got two-thirds of a lighter. Right, to me? Oh, it's gross. It's so bad.
I mean, it's not like rusty, but it's not nice.
It's a bit swampy.
It is a bit.
Oh yeah. We're a bit.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's,
Yeah, that's gone. It's alright. You don't need one of them.
well, underneath the seat's not bad.
Yeah, we're pretty solid underneath. I really think the way you stand is pretty good. So we'll probably, because this is, I mean, funny, this is going to be ruined now. Oh, it just comes out anyway. Here, we'll just pull that out. It's joined in the middle. There you go. See where it's been coming in. Look.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Look.
Wow.
Nice.
Lush.
Nice.
Oh, it smells so bad. Even with a mask on.
Filter of mine too.
Push the button
Push that button.
through the car.
Wow, that is proper
Ah.
fudged.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's
Das hole. Oh god, it's brown as well. Hang on, would it?
that.
Hang on, if we just appreciate the noise.
It's so wrong.
You know when you've had a curry and then it's like. That's about everything we can do today because we're running out of light and time and it's cold. So feel free to subscribe and do what you want to do.